Are these things from the Easter Bunny? Are you trying to eat your books from the Easter Bunny? What's that? Snuggly time! Snuggly time! Yeah. Oh, oh no! Oh no! Here you go. There you go. Oh, are they all for you? The Easter Bunny was good to you, Bug. Oh, there you go. There you go. Tyler, you can't hold them all. How are you going to hold them all? Huh? Are we going to read these at bedtime tonight? Do you want to read these at bedtime tonight? There's your new teether. You like your new teether? That's the handle, Bug. That's the handle. There you go. No, 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 no. That's Easter grass. We don't eat Easter grass. The Easter Bunny uses that to put in our basket. We don't eat it. Nope, we don't eat it. No. Tyler, no. That's not for us to play with. Here, do you want your teether? Mmm, yummy. Yummy. You got it? Here you go. You're doing really good with that sitting up thing, huh? Yeah. You're a pro now. You're a pro. And you got all sorts of great books. We'll have to read them tonight. Maybe we'll read the Going to Bed book, okay? Do you want to read the Going to Bed book? Would that be good? No Easter grass. No Easter grass. Definitely no Easter grass. Yum. He makes piggy noises, honey. Yeah. Yeah, he's like... Okay, let's go play in the other room. We'll get you changed, okay? Happy Easter, Bug. You even see your toy. The Fisher-Price tugging jiggle toy. It's like your Bug. He's going to town on that.
Because he likes the way it slides it back and forth when it goes. You like that? How is that? Is that good? Mm. Mm.
just heck with it. I'm just going for Mom's thumb instead. You're all slimy. You're all slimy. Yeah, you're slimy? Okay, let's go get changed so we can play. And go ride in the swing. And go ride in the swing. Happy Easter, Buggy Bug.